Hello friends, in last video we explained about the cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. So if you not watched that video yet, kindly click on the I button above. Also the link is available in the description box. Before starting today's video, I thought to share you one interesting incident happened with Bitcoin. You all know that May 22nd it's celebrating as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Maybe lot of people are aware of that. But do you know the reason behind it? Wait, I will tell you. The reason is Hanage is the first person to use Bitcoin in a commercial transaction. In May 22, 2010, Laszlo Hanage agreed to pay 10,000 Bitcoins were valued at $41 for 2 delivered Papa John's pizzas. Since then, Hanage pizzas have got more and more expensive. 9 months after the purchase, the 2 pizzas were worth $10,000. While in the year 2015, the 2 pizzas were valued at $2.4 million. On its 12th anniversary in 2021, Bitcoin price reached a high of $63,000. So the 2 pizzas were worth $630 million. World's costlier pizza ever. In this video, we will explain all about the Bitcoin and frequently asked questions about Bitcoin. So let's begin. First, what is the Bitcoin? Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency which began to use in 2009. Who is the founder of Bitcoin? The identity of person or people who created the technology is still mystery. In a name Satoshi Nakamoto, one document was released in 31st October 2008. That document is called as white paper. In that it's mentioned like Satoshi developing a digital currency, along with that how it will work and technology behind this concept. Like this, all the details about this project was added in that document and released. But the name Satoshi Nakamoto is not the original name. It's an alias name to hide the identity of person or group of people. So the next question is, Bitcoin is only token available in the blockchain technology? So Bitcoin is one of the types of cryptocurrency. Like how we are having different currency for different countries, similarly Bitcoin is one type of the cryptocurrencies. But Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency coin developed using this blockchain concept. So only Bitcoin is said to be the king of cryptocurrency. After Bitcoin inventory, lot of new coins came into the market like Ethereum, Tron, Litecoin, Ripple and many more. Currently, there are more than 10,000 different coins are available in crypto market. So, what makes Bitcoin price this surge? This is also like share market and gold investment, but the Bitcoin has one of the more volatile trading history. Bitcoin price increases due to certain factors. In that, one can include supply and demand. Halving is one of the most critical factors that contribute to the price of Bitcoin. Since there are only 21 million Bitcoins available in the market, but there is a huge demand to buying Bitcoin. So the demand is more than the supply. This is resulting in a higher price. Second factor can be institutional adoption. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is now being considered as a safe haven asset against market volatility and inflation. Recently, there has been a trade where public companies are converting their cash treasuries into cryptocurrencies. Square, an American payment company, bought $50 million worth of Bitcoins. Following this macro strategy, a public listed company in the US converted $425 million worth of cash reserves into Bitcoin, considering it to be better store of the value. In March 2021, Tesla CEO Elon Musk had announced that they will accept Bitcoin payment to purchase electric vehicles. But Bitcoin mining will consume more of power and electricity, which leads to harmful environment. So Tesla's withdrawal from accepting Bitcoin. However, recently during B World Cryptocurrency Conference, Mr. Musk said that Tesla would most likely to resume acceptance of Bitcoin. He confirmed that if Bitcoin mining was more eco-friendly, then Tesla would once again begin to accept cryptocurrency as payment. These are the two main factors to increase price of Bitcoin to the sky level. Now let's have a look at Bitcoin price history. If you invested 700 Indian rupees in Bitcoin on July 2010, now it will be worth of 1 crore. Yes, in past 11 years, the Bitcoin growth is around 14.28 lakhs %. The value of one Bitcoin was effectively worth zero when it was first introduced in 2009. It was traded for free initially between early adopters. Bitcoin first started trading from around 0.0008 to 0.08 per coin in July 2010. Bitcoin reached an all-time high price of $66,930 on October 2021. Do you know Bitcoin is an official currency for one of the country? Yes, El Salvador becomes world's first country in the world to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender. Also, they purchased a total of 400 Bitcoins and will buying more. So, the bottom line is, apart from Bitcoin, there is many other coins available with huge potential growth. In next video, we will explain you the alternative coins, also whether it's legal to invest in India or not. If you have any doubts related to the Bitcoins, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all those. If this video is informative, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.